Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you UnitedHealthcare how to add rewards. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To participate in UnitedHealthcare's reward program, what you need to do is first download the UnitedHealthcare app. Then once downloaded, simply head over and open up your app and then simply log into your account with your credentials. Then once logged into your account, from your dashboard select UHC rewards and then follow the prompts to activate the program. Then connect a fitness tracker to unlock additional rewards activities, which is optional. Then once activated, you can select from various activities to earn rewards such as daily fitness goal, sleep tracking, health survey, annual checkup, paperless communication, flu shot, and virtual visits. The availability of these activities may vary based on the specific plan. Then you can monitor your activities as well, and once you earn the minimum of $5 in rewards, you can redeem them in several ways like digital Visa gift card, health savings account deposit, purchasing a tracker. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.